around too. So on the way in, it's $20 to get in. I'm walking in parking lot, and there's like $17 sitting there. 3 5s and yeah, 18. Yeah, I think it's 17 or 18, whatever it was. But I'm like, damn near free. I was like, I looked down, I saw a 5, and I walked over there, picked it up. So, Street Machine Nationals here, 2024. Got the old bench seat in there, you can tell. Good said, thou shalt not touch. So I love all that original. Radios in there, the whole 9 yards. The Bel Air. Said you're going to get all kinds of different cars. This one's for sale right here. Right cheer. 651-508-8164. That's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. With the interior in there. Oh God. It's an old 2-seater, man. Look at that bad boy. Heck yeah. Yep. Corvette. They cruise around. GT. Some Mustang here, that's nice. Here comes a Cutlass. Those are nice. Kind of go over here and look at some over here. You get all kinds of, you got different kinds. It's kind of a Buick. Nice. Ram. Got the old, they're looking at, you can tell there's a bunch over there. Down there, that's a nice LTD. So let's go back over here. But that's a classic one right here. So might want to get a little bite to eat here, try to get a chance. But yeah, it's the 24th day, July. We're already, excuse me, 20th day of July, already halfway to Christmas. Little Mustang. So there's a lot of different vehicles, like I said. You got this nice little convertible. Ford Special Vehicle Team. 2001. Look at that bad boy. Oh my. There's a little Mustang here too as well. This is a Bel Air 67. You don't see a lot of those. Like this one, this Ranchero. It's an older one. Oh my goodness, this one's cool as hell. Oh my goodness. Nice. Love that. The open space that is. You get right to it. Starters, Illinois, the whole 9 yards. The old 68 right there. 67, sorry, you're right. I even said it before there was a 67, and it's a Bel Air too. You don't see too many of these. But many I am. But 383 rebuilt. 651-245-9728. Nice. Yeah, they changed the lights every they had 2 years like the same stuff. 65 to 6. Then they changed every 2 years. They kind of had like a different thing close to them.
I'm still trying to learn.
Yeah. The Impalas are pretty easy to figure out because but like the lights. That's a nice vehicle. You can tell it's original paint. Yep. Classic. You don't see too many of these around. You don't see a lot of these around. These Bel Airs, 2 doors. Maybe a scrapyard, but not 383. Nice. SS 396. that bad boy. This, like I said, is a cool show. It's well worth coming over for 20 bucks. SS. Look at that bad boy. Oh my. Nice. Chevelle. Oh. And that's on the ground there, nice. Sweet. 427, baby. Look at that bad boy. It's nice. It's a classic one right there. I love the GMC, that's nice. Oh, this one over here, it's classic.
Deadpool, I want to see Deadpool.
No idea this one is. This one's classic. Little two-seater, go down the beach, classic. Here's the haunted house at the State Fair. Trans Am. Yeah, boy. We get over here, there's a couple mannequins over here. That boy. Yeah. Oh my. 1964 Chevy. How clean that sucker is. Oh my goodness. Gotta kind of make sure I cover the mic here. Nice. Go ahead. I gotta try to get away from the music. They'll share the that bad boy. Oh my goodness. The nice Jeep over there. That's nice. GT. Look at that bad boy over there. Got SS. This truck. Gotta try to cover on my mic. We got a 66 up here. Little Toto in the background. Got a 1966 SS. Nice. Nice. Super Sport 396. Nice. Nice. Might go get something to eat over there momentarily, but you gotta walk over here to hear that music, so I can hear it, you can hear it, and so can YouTube. Some stage singer, I don't know what the hell that is, but anyway, that's a cool one. Oh, you got an Impala over there. Super Sport, right over there. That's us. Over here. All right, look at that bad boy. Nice. Get off my lawn, the car club. There you go. There it is, 65 Chevy SS.